our second class of the grammar, and today we are going to learn past tense. So here the same PPT I use for the present, past and future. So
Subhangi,
here the same.
Subhangi, can you rotate this slide?
Okay, okay.
Uh, yes.
Just wait. Okay. So here we are using the same PPT for the for learning the tenses. So here we are only focus on the past tense. Just wait. Okay. So today we are going to talk about the past tense. So what is past tense, and what are the sentences in the past tense, and what has already happened. So the one ma'am asking this question in a first session, that why we are using has here, because we are talking about the past tense, but we are using here has in this sentence. So there is a only reason that it is we are talking about the past tense, but when we are speak this sentence, it is in the it is in the present tense, that is जो पास्ट में हो चुका है, हो चुका था नहीं कहते हम, हो चुका है कहते हैं. That's why we are using this, that is what has already happened in the past. So this is the answer of of that question, that is why we are using here has in the sentence. So here are the same example, what we are looking what we are seen in the present tense, that is I lived in USA, means मैं USA में रहती थी. And the second example is I was in class 9 last year. मैं last year class 9 में पढ़ती थी. You should remember that this is our past continuous tense. And why it is past continuous tense, I already tell you. So anyone can tell this, that why we are saying that it is in past continuous tense. Anyone remember?
Means you can say I was living, actually, I was studying in class
No,
9
no, no.
last year.
Yeah, I talk about this second example. I was in class 9. uh yeah. Okay. I asked about the second example, that is it is in the past continuous form. So how it is?
Subhangi, I think this can be also written as I was studying in class 9 last year, something like that. Actually, I'm not getting this, so you can clarify this, how this is in past continuous tense.
Okay. So our past continuous tense form is subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus complement. So in this sentence we can clearly saw this, that here we are using was as our helping verb. So uh, many people are confusing that here we never seen that in this sentence we never seen ing form. So how it is in the continuous tense. So here there is no presence of main verb, that is our main verb is, I will give some example, that is play, go, went. These are all our verb. So here the main verb is not present here. We are only using helping verb as our verb. So here we are using was in the sentence. So our sentences form is subject plus was were plus ing form of the verb plus object plus complement. So here our subject is I. Was is our helping verb that will become our whole verb with along with the ing form, but here there is no presence of main verb, so here we are not using ing form of the verb, so we are directly using complement in this sentence. So our sentence makes like this: I was in class 9 last year. So anyone can get this? Hello.
Yes, Subhangi.
Okay, everyone.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it is
Yes,
the
yes, it
same.
is clear.
Okay. So it is the same chart we are using for the present tense, and now we are using for the past tense. So for the past tense, we should remember the three words that tha, thi, the in our sentence. So when we are talking about the tenses, then थी, वो कर रही थी, वो कर रहे थे, वो कर रहा था, उसने कर लिया था, वो कर रहे थे, वो वहां गई थी. Just like that we are using in our sentence, so we can easily recognize that it is a past tense. We can easily identify the past tense by getting these three words that tha, thi, the. So for the indefinite tense, we are using did as a helping verb in our sentence. So for all pronoun, we are using did because we have only one helping verb for the simple past tense, that is our indefinite tense. So I did, we did, he did, she did, it did, they did, and for the singular person name we are using did, and for the plural person name also we are using did in our simple past tense sentence. So for the continuous tense, the helping verb we are using in our sentence that are was, were, plus V4 form of the verb, that is our ing form of the verb. So for was, we are for the pronoun then he, she, it, for that. And for the singular person noun, we are using was in our sentence. And for the plural person, we are using were in our sentence. That are we, you, they. And you know all that before form of the verb, that is ing form of the verb, that is going, playing, running, walking, eating, taking, just like that. So for the past perfect tense, our formula is had plus V3. So for that, had is available for all pronoun we are using in our sentence. So there is some difference in the uh, present perfect tense and past perfect tense. I already tell you that what actions are recently done. It is in present perfect tense. So because many people are confused in this, because the meaning of the present perfect tense and past perfect tense is sometimes it means same, because when we are talking about the uh, uh, present perfect tense, then has plus have has plus v3, the action is completed in the present perfect tense also and past perfect tense also. But in the present perfect tense, the means मैं कर चुका हूँ, मैंने ये कर लिया है, the action is done in present tense also and past tense also. But in this we are saying that kar liya hai, means the action is recently done. But in the past perfect tense we are using kar liya tha, means by means the action is any action we take before the action, this action is taken. And for the past perfect continuous tense, here our helping verb is had plus been plus before form of the verb. So this is the chart I sent in the group. So I hope uh, you all go through this so you can easily remember about the helping verb we are using in our tenses. Okay.
Yes, Subhangi. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Are you clear about the perfect tense?
Yes. Yes. Everything is clear.
Okay. So here the same slide I am using for the sentence form, but I changed something in this. So can anyone got this?
Yes. Yes.
So what are the changes?
Here you have changes in past tense because in first sentence you have mentioned I played football. Played football means this is past indefinite tense. I think this is simple past tense. And here
Yes,
in place of do not you have mentioned did not. And interrogative did I play
yes,
in place of do or
yes. It's
does.
really
Yes, yes.
okay. So please, another people should reply this. Not only Pradeep. I
Okay.
don't remember anyone's name. So please
Yes, we have
be
more.
active.
Actually, we have Mohan, Raki, Ganesh, Aarti, Vikas, and Devi Bhai. So, Mohan, you can reply.
So please, time to time, replied because I think that okay.
Okay, Mohan, are you there? Mohan Bhai.
Yeah, I'm here, but the place around me is very noisy. That's why I couldn't respond.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Subhangi, you can proceed. So, if anybody have any question regarding these tenses, please you can ask in between. There is no problem. So Ganesh, Mohan Bhai, Raki, Vikas, if anybody have any problem, so please ask. So this can
Hello,
be
sir.
Yeah,
clear.
I need a
Sir.
clarification. Is it
Mohan,
okay if I ask?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
But
when I use where we use past indefinite and where we use past perfect, because always I confuse where I use past indefinite and where I use past perfect. So
okay,
let
okay,
me
Yeah,
start.
same reason in me.
Yeah,
okay. So for the past indefinite tense, we are talking about the continuous means there is no interruption in our action, that is I played football, मैं football खेलता था. And for the
yeah,
past perfect tense, मैं खेल चुका था. So here the action can be one times happens, means we are talking about the we are talking about the action that is only one times happen, that is मैं खेल चुका था. So here we are only talking about that situation. And for the simple past tense we are normally talking
yeah. Simple past tense is easy, but in perfect, I always confuse in perfect tense, past perfect indefinite, past perfect tense.
okay.
So,
So you are confused in past perfect and simple
yeah,
perfect, or
yeah.
you are confusing in past perfect or present perfect.
Yeah.
No, no. Actually, Subhangi, see, he is confused between past tense past tense means simple
past
and past perfect tense means as you mentioning
perfect.
मैं खेलता था, मैं खेल चुका था, मैं खेला करता था, something like that.
Okay, so
Hmm.
here is the same. Here is the difference in between that. The action is means we are in the past perfect tense. We are. I already tell you that we are talking about the action which is only one times happen. That is, it is an example. That is, I played football. It is not good to describe this because I played football. We are playing football in many times, so it is not a good example to describe the past difference between the past perfect and simple past. So here I take some different example. That is, uh, I had I had read I had read the novel. So here मैं नॉवेल पढ़ चुका था. ओके, सो मैं नॉवेल पढ़ चुका था. तो आप हमें मीन्स यू आर नॉट रीडिंग नॉवेल एज यूजुअल डेली और as your daily, or in the same way you are not reading the novel. If you are reading novel daily, but you are not reading the same novel in every day. So we are talking about the action which is done in the past. And for the simple past also, we are talking about the action which is our habit. So for this simple past tense, you should keep in your mind. That is, when you are using simple past tense, then it will be related to your routine. It will be related to your habit that you are doing repeatedly. Means this is your habit that you like to do, that you are doing daily, or you are doing sometimes, but more times in your routine. But in the past perfect tense, you are doing only that action for the once time, and you are talking in the present tense about that.
Okay.
Okay, so because here is no presence of board, so I can't describe this easily. So you take more focus on this, that uh, you should focus on that, the meaning of the simple past and past perfect tense. So here khel
Yeah.
chuka tha, so we are talking about, means perfectly we are talking about that situation. Means we are talking about that situation, but for this simple past tense, we are not only talking about the one situation, we are talking about the daily routine that is in the simple past tense. So can you got something in
Yes.
this?
Yeah, can I add one more point here?
Okay.
Yeah, I think, for example, if there are two incidents that took place in the past, the
Okay.
one should be in the past perfect and the another should be in the past tense. That is what one of the points that I have understood whatever that you have explained, but we can also use past perfect in one more occasion. For example,
Okay.
let me give you one example and then I'll stop. I went to the railway station, that is past tense. The
Yes.
train left, that is also past tense. So
Yes.
both the thing took place in the past, but one would have taken place in the long past. Before I went to the railway station, the train had left. So one is
Yes.
past perfect and another one is past tense. And it is also one more explanation, I think. And what you said is also part of past perfect. Thank you. And I have one more doubt. Can you please tell me?
Okay. Okay. You can ask.
Yeah, yeah. In the previous slide that I saw, did I not play football? Right? That is the last example, negative affirmation.
Okay. Just wait.
right? Is it didn't I or did I not? Is there any difference between these two? Yeah, this one, this one. Thank you.
You are asking about did not or didn't.
Yeah, didn't I play football or did I not play football? Which one is the right? Or both are right?
No, no. In the negative interrogative sentence, we are not using not in the just like didn't, don't. We are not using the same like that. We are using always did, and then we are place not in our not in our sentence. That is, did I not play football? Do I not play football? Just like that. Because for the didn't it the sentence not make perfectly. Didn't I play football? This is not a sentence. So when we are talking about
According to grammatically, it is right.
what?
According to grammatically, it's right. Didn't I play cricket? It's right, I think.
Yes, it is right, but what she says is also correct because
Yeah, yeah,
in
both.
my understanding, yeah, didn't I? If I use didn't I, that is spoken form. If I use did I not play football, that is a written form. I think so.
Actually, Mohan bhai, you are right because there is very much difference in grammar and spoken grammar. Because in
Yeah,
spoken
thank
you
you.
can say didn't I play football, but in grammar you have to say did I not, because this is correct
Yeah,
format. But
grammatically, it's
yes,
grammatically, yeah,
but
right.
but during spoken you can speak it like this. Didn't I
Yeah,
not play? So people can understand what you are trying to say. This is matter.
yeah.
And you
Yeah,
have
Yes,
Mohan Kumar, you
thank
have
you.
mentioned example. I went railway station. When I reached the railway station, train had already left. That was really good example because this example also we can understand कि what is meaning of that. Means ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. जब मैं ट्रेन पहुंचा, ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. So this is by this example also we can means जब मैं पहुंचा था ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. Means that second accident is already happened when you reach on the station. So there are two things. Okay, so Subhangi, you can proceed. So Raki, if
Thank you, Subhangi, and all.
yes,
Thank you.
Rocky, and if anybody have any questions, so you can ask in between. There is no problem.
Yeah, I have one more.
Yes, yes, Rocky.
I played cricket, so this is a which tense example. Which
sorry,
tense?
sorry, I can't hear you properly.
Uh, I mean, I played cricket,
Okay.
so I can, yeah, I can say also I had played because this action
No, no,
had
I
been
played.
already happened.
No, I played cricket. It is another sentence, and I had played cricket. This is the another sentence. The meaning of those sentences are different because in the first tense you are talking about your habit. That is, I played football. मैं football खेलता था. But in the second sentence, you are using that I had played football. That is, मैं football खेल चुका था.
Yeah, I played cricket. I played. So,
So normally we are talking that I played football because this is your habit and your means your tell others about your habits. That is, मैं football खेलता था.
I can say I used to play cricket. It is also right, I think.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. This is same. मैं क्रिकेट खेला करता था. मैं खेला था. Both are same.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's it from my side.
Okay, okay. So Subhangi, continue.
So here we are start our present tense. This is the past tense. Past tense is again divided into four types, that is past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. So past indefinite tense, for this we are using the helping verb that is did. It is available for all subject in our sentence. So here our sentences form for the simple past tense, that is subject plus V2 form of the verb plus object plus complement. So I played football. Here our subject is I. V2. V2 means verb second form of the verb, that is played, and then football is our object. So for the we are using we played football. For he, we are using he played football. For we are using she played football. For it, we are using it played football. For they, we are using they played football. Same as the second example, she ate an apple. So here we are using V2 form of the verb, that is eat. Eat, ate, eaten. So she ate an apple. This is our sentence, that वो apple खाती थी. I went to the market yesterday. मैं कल market गई थी. So for the past continuous tense, our sentence form is the subject plus was were plus V4 form of the verb, that is verb plus ing form plus object plus complement. So for was, we are using pronoun, that is I, he, she, it, singular person name, that is Aman, Rohan, just like that. And for where, we are using I, we, you, they, and plural person, that is boys, people, etc. So first example is I was playing football. मैं फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. And for we are using we were playing football. For he, we are using he was playing football. For she, we are using she was playing football. And for it, we are using it was playing football. And for they, we are using they were playing football. She was eating an apple. This is the same example. So can anyone convert this sentence in all 7 pronouns?
7 pronouns means
Yeah,
yes, Neha, you
I,
can continue.
yeah.
they.
I, I was playing which one? First one or second one?
Second one.
Okay, she was eating an apple. He was eating an apple. I was eating an apple, and you were eating an apple. They were eating an apple. That's it. We were eating an apple.
Yes. Thank you. So here I keep 4 sentences. So here our first sentence is I was teaching when Deepika called me. And second sentence is I taught. Third sentence is I was walking when I met my friends. I walked. So can anyone tell me this, that which sentence is incorrect in this?
I was I was teaching. I
Hello.
think in yes.
Okay. So anyone can got this, that which sentence is incorrect?
I taught, I think.
No. I think I taught is correct. I walk is correct because taught is second form of teach. I think
Mhm.
so. That is correct.
Yes.
And
No, no.
walk is second. I think there is an issue in first and third because I was teaching when Deepika called me. So because one is continuous tense and second is past tense. So no. I think I was
Really, it
teaching
allows. Allows.
when did Deepika call me? I think there should be did
Mhm.
because in second sentence we are talking about interrogative. No, I think I am confused. So you can continue.
Second incorrect.
Okay.
Okay.
Again.
Okay. I think when
Anyone
did
wants to
I
try?
find nothing, no mistakes.
Yes, it is right. There is no mistake in any sentence. All sentences are right. But in the first sentence, we are talking about the past continuous tense, and it I was teaching means मैं पढ़ रही थी. But I am using in this sentence when Deepika called me, and also in the third sentence you can see that when I meet my friends. So I thought it is the same meaning in the first sentence, that is मैं पढ़ मैं पढ़ाती थी, but
Means,
here
Shivangi, here meaning of when is jab. No,
okay,
actually, here
okay
is
sir,
not meaning of when is cub. Actually, when we are talking about cub, means that is interrogative. When we are talking about jab, this is simple, I think. That's why you can say.
so
Okay.
here okay,
Yes.
so in the first sentence the action is the same, that is teaching, but in the first sentence there is something that interrupt that action, that is Deepika called me, but it is in the continuous, means past, in the past tense, but in this action someone is interrupt in that action. So here we are we want to tell someone about this action, so here we are using continuous form of the sentence, that is past continuous form of the verb. But in normally, if there is no interruption in our sentence, in our action, so we can normally say that I taught, मैंने मैंने पढ़ाया था. But we want to describe the that means that action that was happened in the past, so here we are using continuous form of this sentence in our sentence. But in normally, if there is no interruption and we want to just tell someone, that is I done this in this past, so we are using here the simple past tense. But when we are point out that action that is happened in the past, so for that we are using past continuous tense. Okay.
Okay.
So here is the same for the I was walking when I met my friends. So here also we want to describe that thing. We want to point out that situation, that action that is done in the past. But in walked we are normally talking मैं चली थी, just like that. And when we are talking about third sentence, that is I was walking when I met my friends, मैं जब चल रही थी तब मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिली. So we want to describe that we want to point out that action, so here we are using uh I continuous form in this sentence.
Okay, Shivangi, we have 2 minutes, so try to complete all the within 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. So for the past perfect tense, our sentence form is subject plus had plus V3 form of the verb plus object plus complement. So here is our had is helping verb which are using in our all pronouns and nouns. So our example is I had played football, and second example is she had eaten an apple. It is the third form of the verb, that is eat. So for the all pronoun I, we, you, he, she, it, they, for that all we are using had in our sentence. I had, we had, he had, she had, it had, they had. So here is our past perfect continuous tense. So here our sentence form is subject plus had plus been plus before form of the verb or since form. Then our sentence is I had been playing football since afternoon. So I already tell you about the difference in uses between the since and for. So you want so I had been playing football since afternoon. When we are talking about the exact time, then we are using for in our sentence, and when we are not confirm the time, then we are using since in our sentence. She had been eating an apple for 15 minutes means वह 15 मिनट से एप्पल खा रही थी. So in this sentence we have to remember say in our sentence.
Okay, so
So
thank you,
here are
Shivangi.
some
Actually, we have
examples.
no time. Okay, so thank you. We will discuss tomorrow this example before starting future tense. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, okay.